How's it going, everybody? My name is Warner Fields with Fields of Profit. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller and full-time student, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do online arbitrage without using tactical arbitrage or any fancy softwares. All you'll need to use is KEEPA. This is called the reverse online arbitrage sourcing method. I like this method a lot. I actually use this method myself, and I teach my VAs this method to source products for online arbitrage, and it saves you the initial cost of that $90 a month with tactical arbitrage. If you're just getting started and don't have a lot of startup capital, then that $100 a month can really eat into your purchasing budget. So I think this is a great way to start in online arbitrage and then upgrade to tactical arbitrage after you do this for a month or two. If you could press the subscribe button down below, help my business out. I'm going to be helping out your business in this video. So if we can make this a trade, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So this process is honestly very simple. It's just a couple quick steps. Basically, we need to start by finding a storefront that is selling online arbitrage products, and we can kind of reverse engineer where they're finding that from. A good example that I like to use is a great value product, because this is from Walmart. Therefore, anyone on this listing has to be buying it from Walmart, because I doubt you're going to get a wholesale account with great value. So from here, we're going to click through on a listing. Doesn't really matter which one, because we're just going to look for these storefronts here, and we're going to try to find the storefronts that have some profitable products for us to go ahead and sell also. So I'm personally looking for listings that are at least Amazon FBA fulfilled, and have no more than a couple thousand ratings, because if they have more than a couple thousand ratings, they're going to get buy box share over you. So in this case, I'm going to try this guy. He's got 39 reviews. Let's go ahead and open up his storefront here. We're going to go over to their Storefront Products. And then there's a couple Chrome extensions that are free that are going to help you simplify this process. The first one of these is called DS Amazon Quick View. It's going to show you if Amazon is on it, and it's also going to show you how many FBA sellers are on it. So if it's one FBA seller or something like that, it's probably going to be a private label product actually, so you can stay away from that. But this kind of helps you vet those products a little quicker. I get this question all the time. This is an old Chrome extension. It's called Check Permission. You have to have a lifetime license because it's been kind of discontinued, unfortunately. I get that question all the time. So to answer that question, it's called Check Permission, but you can't get it anymore, unfortunately. So from here, we're going to find listings that are not sold by Amazon and have more than one FBA seller. So we've got this one here. We've got Nike. I'll go ahead and skip Nike because I know a lot of you guys are gated in Nike. This one's sold by Amazon. We got another Willow Tree figure. We got some Crystal Light, but I don't like the $15 for a pack of 3. Seems pretty thin margins there. We're looking for non-Amazon. We've got this guy here. So let's go ahead and check out this real quick. Let's see if we can find this item cheaper somewhere else. So you're just literally going to copy it and paste it into Google and see where you can find it the cheapest. Click through on a couple of them that are a little bit on the cheap side. See if you can find a coupon deal or something. Let's see if this Hallmark has any coupon deals. So we can try adding it to cart. Let's just throw 5 in the cart here. We'll go check out. We'll see if Honey finds anything. Let's see if we can apply some coupons here. See if we can get this price down, because at this point it's not going to be a profitable product. It doesn't look like there's any coupons here, but if there's maybe a Hallmark coupon in the future, this could be profitable, because it's selling for $19 outright, and the graph is showing it's selling for $30-ish. But right now this is not profitable. I'd imagine this is going to be a similar story, but we can still go ahead and search it, see what we can find here. We're looking at, this one's a lot more expensive on all these other sites. This one shows $18 for this, so this could be something there. We could check these and see if there's like a buy one get one sale on this website. We've got it for $18, but it's not the right guy. This is $40, and I don't see any kind of sale here. So we're going to go ahead and keep going on here. So this method is very manual, but you're able to find, I'd say, almost the same amount of leads per hour or whatever doing this as you are with a tactical arbitrage scan. So Hobby Lobby, I know, has some really good coupons every now and then. So if you can get one of those 40% coupons from Hobby Lobby, this one could be profitable, but we're going to keep skipping on here. So I'm not seeing a whole lot on this storefront, and then so if you're not doing well on the first couple pages of a storefront, I would move on. The first couple pages are going to be their fastest selling products. I'm just kind of doing a quick scan here. So this storefront looks kind of like a bust for us. So we're going to keep moving on here. Let's try this guy with a little bit more ratings. Maybe he's got some more profitable products, and we'll also check out this guy here. So we're going to open up his storefront here. We're looking at these Dixie cups. I've seen these Dixie cups. These are for sale on Walmart. This is something to think about here. So these are for sale at Walmart for $5, I believe, but they're a different color. And this listing does say assorted designs. So at this point you could be, okay, well maybe I could consider this. It says assorted designs, but then you go to the ratings and you see a lot of people leaving negative reviews for these cups because they're receiving these Walmart cups, right? And they're not happy with what they're getting. Even though the listing says assorted designs, they want what they see in the picture. So I would personally skip on this. Looks like the price has gone down since I've seen this last, but let's just for fun, let's see. $12, we're buying it for $5, so this is like break even now, and it's just a feedback nightmare waiting to happen. So I think that's a good nugget for you guys, is if you are looking at a listing, you're kind of on the fence, always look at the reviews, look at the pictures, see what the customers are saying, and maybe that can help you make your decision on whether or not you should actually buy that product, just to avoid those negative feedbacks and such. So we can check out this one. This is pretty cheap. I'm actually going to skip this one. It's tough to make profit under $9. We could look at this one here. See, it looks like we've got a lot of this. This seller looks like they're selling a lot of the Lego clearance lately. We've got a lot of Propel. I'm just looking for things that could be higher priced. You'll kind of get a feel for it as you go. This for $15. This could be potentially cheaper somewhere else. But let's go ahead and try to find this one here. This is going for $22 right now. Let's see if we can find it cheaper from Walmart, because this is Equate, so this is going to be a Walmart brand product. Looks like these are $7.78. If we can get it in a 4-pack, it makes them $7 a piece, and you can get tax exempt on Walmart. So this buy cost is actually going to be $14, but I'm probably not going to be making much here. So if you plug in your product cost here, and then you can also estimate your shipping cost. This also is a free Chrome extension called FBA calculator. Amazon FBA calculator, it's a free Chrome extension. And then right here, you can also kind of estimate your weight or your shipping costs here. So this is 0.3 pounds. You will learn your shipping costs over time with kind of what you average as far as sending it into your fulfillment center. My personal average is 30 cents a pound. So this would cost me 10 cents to send in. So there's my real profit there. I would only be making $2 on $14 spend. So not a great product there. We're going to keep moving on here. Looks like I'm actually gated in this, but let's see if we can find it any cheaper and maybe get ungated automatically. Looks like this is actually for sale for $7 on Walmart. It could be pickup, but we'll still look into it. So we can buy it from Walmart for $7. Yeah, so we can get it delivered from here. We want to make sure it's the same thing. We're looking at psoriasis, face and body cream. We've got psoriasis control. I think it's the same thing. You'd want to kind of compare the UPCs, but let's just go ahead and run the profit calculation here. We're selling it for 15 and we're buying it for 7. So this would be a little bit more promising product. You're going to make $2.50 on $7 spend. So the ROI is pretty decent there. Nothing too crazy, but with the sales rank and the super consistent price, I would consider buying this. If you can get ungated in this product, there's a potential lead for you. Just to go ahead and kind of walk through how I would estimate how many I need to buy, I'm going to use what's called the Jungle Scout Sales Estimator. This is a free website. There's also a Chrome extension that I personally use in my business. It embeds on the page itself, but just for the sake of the video, I'm doing everything for free except for KEEPA. So I would show you how I would do this the long way. So you're going to take the 90-day sales average, which is 37,000. We are in the United States, and then the category on this one was health and household. If you're gated in health and household, you can use a distributor called Frontier Co-op. Buy 10 units of a vitamin or anything like that, and you will get ungated. So this listing is selling 450 times a month. We're going to go back over here for a listing. We're going to see that there are 5 sellers, but we care a little bit more about the number of competitive sellers, meaning that people that are actually competing for the buy box. So we want to go ahead and see how many sales we can actually get on this one. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3 competitive sellers, and actually it looks like this seller here is the brand. So I would personally stay away from this product just because the brand is on it. But while we're here, we're gonna just kind of quickly estimate how many sales we would make, how many we would want to buy, just to kind of show you that process. So we're selling 450 a month, split between 5 sellers. You're going to be selling about 90 per month right there. So you're just going to use the estimator, divide it by the number of competitive sellers, and that's how many you should expect to sell. I'm actually going to go ahead and scroll here for a little bit and see if I can find a profitable product for you guys for watching to the end of the video, and then I will get right back to you. Alright, so literally on the next page, my recording time shows me it's been 45 seconds since I cut. This product right here, you can buy it from Walmart for $6, 200 count, 500 milligrams. You gotta make sure the flavors are the same and all that good stuff. We're looking at 200 count, the flavors are the same. Exact same product. This is going for $15.30, it looks like. So we're going to be selling it for, let's say, $15.50. Because you can usually sell slightly above what the price is showing, is what I've seen in my experience. And we're buying it for $6 here. So you're going to be making about $3 profit here on $6 spend. And if you want to get more exact with it, I personally would be spending probably 25 cents on each unit. So your real net profit here is $2.65, which this ROI is pretty solid on $6. This margin isn't too crazy, 17%, but that's about the average of my business personally. So here's a good lead for you guys for watching to the end of the video. This product will, let's see how many sales this product would generate every month. We're going to go to data and check out the 90-day sales rank. It is at 51,000. We're going to head back over here to junglescout.com/estimator, 51,000. We're looking at the United States marketplace, and then we're going to check the category real quick. This is in health and household also. So we're going to calculate the sales if I can type it in properly. There we go. So this is generating 270 sales a month, so a little bit less than that last listing. Let's see how many sellers are on it. Looks like quite a few, but this price is held pretty stable considering how many sellers on it. So I like that about this listing also. So now we're going to count the number of competitive sellers who are FBA sellers. We've got, let's see here. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These guys are a little bit more uncompetitive. To be on the conservative side, I would maybe estimate this as at 8. But if you want to just count the exact number of competitive sellers right now, I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So including yourself, it would be 6 divided by this 270. Can't do that one in my head. 270 divided by 6 is 45. Should have been able to do that one in my head. So you'd be able to expect to sell 45 units of this every month. We were making, what was it, $2.60 on every unit. So 45 times $2.60. So this product alone will make you $117 a month. And literally just go buy this product for watching this video and give it a shot. So I hope you found this video useful and you use it to start your online arbitrage journey. If you ever end up wanting to check out Tactical Arbitrage or Jungle Scout, I've got deals on both of those down below in the description. If you want to join our completely free Amazon seller Discord, that's also down below. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you could leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, that helps me out with the algorithm. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks, guys.